Welcome to the world of Alaris, a land of mighty heroes and evil creatures. As a mage leader, you have embarked on a crucial mission to retrieve the Runes of Fate and restore peace to the land.
Runes of Fate is a fantasy worker placement game with deck-building aspects and variable powers where players take on the roles of powerful wizards or sorceresses, each with their own unique abilities and strengths. These elements add depth and replayability to the game, as players can explore different strategies and playstyles based on their chosen character. Players send their apprentices to various locations to gather resources and establish a strong presence among the villagers. Resources like gold or mana can be used to acquire new cards for the player's deck or upgrade their powers. Other spots on the map will trigger certain actions such as deal with an encounter or provide heroes with special abilities or powerful war banners. Worker placement mechanics often involve competing with other players for prime spots, adding an element of competition and interaction. Deck building is another integral aspect of the game. Players start with a basic deck of cards representing spells and gradually improve and customize it throughout the game. By acquiring new cards from the market, players can shape their deck to fit their preferred playstyle or adapt to different challenges that arise during the game. Players may encounter fearsome creatures while exploring certain locations or embarking on quests. These encounters often require players to strategically deploy their apprentices, manage their resources, and utilize their deck synergies effectively to defeat the monsters and retrieve their valuable runes. To defeat these creatures, heroes can call upon the aid of mages and wizards where they can find inside a tavern or in a market district. These skilled allies will fight alongside your heroes, combining their magical abilities to overcome the challenges and protect the people of Alaris. Dead monsters are placed as trophies to the player's discard pile. This dynamic creates interesting decision-making opportunities, as players must consider the value of defeating monsters in relation to other actions or strategies they may pursue in the game. As the game progresses, aside from battling monsters, players will also need to complete various missions and compete with other mages for majority over various objectives. These missions might involve retrieving important runes, gather trophies, or aiding troubled individuals. To successfully complete those tasks, it is important to interact with the villagers and gain their trust and influence. This will enable players to secure their territories and utilize their resources effectively. The game often incorporates a strategic element, where players must decide which locations to visit, considering the potential rewards, risks, and their own objectives. Players may need to plan their moves carefully, as certain locations might be more valuable or have limited capacity, requiring them to balance their choices and make the most efficient use of their apprentices. The blend of worker placement, deck building, and variable player powers ensures that each playthrough is unique and presents players with interesting tactical decisions. Whether you prefer to focus on amassing resources, battling monsters, or pursuing a specific strategy, the game provides multiple paths to victory. Remember, the fate of the kingdom rests on your shoulders. May your magic be strong, and your courage unwavering as you strive to bring peace in the world of Alaris and restore the Runes of Fate to their rightful place.